Here is another eBay package. I'm gonna box it out. I got the shipping label off. Hopefully everything came in good condition, even though I paid $4 for it. It's a mess. Hear glass rattling around. So far, so good. Looks like this GE appliance valve came in good condition. These Sylvania 3-way bulbs look like they came in good condition as well. These LED bulbs definitely are in good condition. They're generic though. But they're still fun having around though. I'm not gonna destroy them. Never heard of this brand. Some EcoSmart LED bulbs, daylight. For EcoSmart. Yep. Look at that. Came in good condition as well. They're not bad. Looks like I don't have to test this one. The filament's intact. And this is another glow bulb. It's a GE 40-watt bulb. Some of it may have been used. So the filament's oxidized on this a little bit, but it looks perfect still. So gotta keep it. It's a GE clear. Actually, it's still being a clear 60-watt. I see broken glass in the box. I gotta test this. Looks like a GE. Yep, I'm sure it's the bright from the start bulb. I hope the halogen capsule works in there. So Westinghouse, well, that's not original. Yeah, I see glass flying around. Look at that. Here's some GE 43-watt bulbs. At least I guess they're original ones still. They're not great though, but they're serviceable. I like the at least 750 lumen ones. For 43 watts, and they're only using 620 lumens, they're not that efficient at all. This wouldn't really be a good replacement for a 60-watt equivalent, a 60-watt incandescent bulb. So, another perfect condition, soaking a bulb. Yep. Look at that. One of the GE LED bulbs came in terrible condition. But the other one looks pretty good. So I at least got another one. Yep. It's exploded. I'm gonna throw this away. Looks like I don't even have to test all these incandescent bulbs though. I want to record this and have feedback to the seller, negative.